Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with the day breakfast. So this morning we're gonna prepare simplest healthy breakfast. So for this I have taken dosa batter mixed with some green gram batter and salt. In this I'm gonna add some grated carrots, and some cabbages. Give a nice mix. Vegetables are your choice, you can get your favorite vegetables. It is ready to use. Today I made dosa and carrots are used for toppings. And this is steamed Kerala banana. It is very tasty. It has high fiber content, powerhouse of nutrients and high source of potassium. It's so hot. Make it into small pieces. It will be easy to eat. Take any of fruit. Take the banana pieces and place it over here. Morning food is most important meal of the day. It kick-starts up your metabolism and lots of benefits are there in breakfast. People who eat breakfast generally have more healthy diets overall. So don't miss it guys. Sprinkle with some grated coconuts. Make your favorite drink and enjoy this morning. Before that, like, share and subscribe the video. Thanks for watching.